this is Len with Kuda Sharpening Systems here in the Kuda Sharpening Workshop. This is the Kuda. We'll go through this in a minute. First we want to show you the torsional edge clamp. Got a lot of speculation on this and exactly how it works, if it works, and why it works. Give you a quick demonstration on how this does its angulation change. Before that, we're going to use a prop, veneer caliber. We'll lock it in the nose where the scissor goes. And what this is going to show you is how this changes its angulation and how fast and at what degree. On this side is the cam, completely adjustable to put the pitch you want in it. There are 4 positions on it. We'll start off in the first position, which we call the flat. We'll set this to 0. We'll pull the handpiece back as if it was on the machine. We'll show you that in a minute. You'll notice that nothing happens. No change in this rod. It stays perfectly straight. This is the way all the other machines work. Same thing, just a fixed angle position. Now we can do convex on this by throwing a switch up here. The handpiece will break 25 degrees to either left or right position to continue our convexing setup on this. It'll also do it for left-handed shears, same way. And it also does inspection in either left or right hand. Down, down again, releases the handpiece so you can turn it around and inspect it. Bring it back up, it locks back into position to the 25 degrees. That would be for right hand. This would be for left hand. Stand this back up, lock it again in position. Okay, straight up and down. Now we're going to put it on torsion. We're going to put it on a first torsional edge position, which is 2.5 degrees per inch of scissor that you pull back on. We're going to set it at 0, not at a fixed angle, just so you can see the mechanism start its torsional edge. It should turn to the left as I pull it back. At full extension it'll turn 15 degrees, but for every inch of scissor that you pull back it'll turn 2.5 degrees in this position, and is fully adjustable by the operator. The next position is what we call slow cam. It's a 1 degree change. As I pull it back it'll change 1 degree for every inch of pull back on the shear. Next position is left-handed cam, and this will turn 2.5 degrees in the opposite direction for left-handed shear. And then we go back to the flat again. Nothing happens. It's designed for easy loading, and we're going to show you that on the box. The Kuda machine, again, what we have here is a tool tray on the bottom to store anything you need to store. The basic machine itself is very light, freestanding, and actually can hang over the edge of the table, but for this demonstration I'm going to keep it right here. 2 releases in the back. Handpiece comes down. It'll sit like this on a table or off and actually hang off the edge of the table to work. Again, for this demonstration we'll put it like this. Built-in light source, left right off switch, speed control, power light on, power switch. The unit slides on easily and locks down in position. We need to lock it down in position because we need to keep it absolutely straight when we're doing these procedures. I'm going to take a simple shear here, convex. I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to load this using the device. Specially designed head to hold it and accept it very quickly, and fully adjustable. Angle goes from 30 to 60 degrees for right-handed. On this side is another set of indicator marks, 30 to 60 degrees, exactly the same way. The thumb screw can be taken out and placed in this side for left-handed shear, so you can push the shear up against this side of the fence to be right on the money where you need to be. Set at 45 degrees. As we pull back, you'll notice the scissor will turn off to the left slightly. For every inch of scissor blade, it will turn 2.5 degrees in this setting. Okay, now we're going to set it to slow cam. Bring it back to 45 and repeat the procedure. For every inch of scissor length, it's going to turn 1 degree. The amount of degree change is according to how far you pull back. At the same time you pull back, what you would do is you would lift up slightly to allow for the radius of the scissor. Very simple and easy. This is full motion, non-restrictive clamp. What we mean by non-restrictive is we can get a complete scissor on here together, not have to separate it, but you can separate it to sharpen. Tray is a great place to put all your components and parts as you're working. You don't lose anything. Washers. Again, to lock in is simple and easy. That's it. It's in. It's ready to sharpen. Take it out. Replace the other blade. That's how fast loading is on this. One other piece, we're going to show you non-restrictive curved inch, or curved 11-inch shear dog groomer. It's about the biggest scissor you're going to find. Fits in easy, locks in quick. You don't have to take the shear apart to get it on the machine. You set it down around 30 degrees where it normally would be, and again, load a traverse between plates, loosen the thumb screw, push it over, tighten it back up, you're ready to go on the opposite side. Simple, quick, and easy. Took a long time to develop. It was what we were looking for. I used to be a freehander. I'm no longer a freehander. In fact, we don't even teach freehand anymore. All we teach is torsional edge technology. If you're interested, please give us a call at 1-800-938-8863. And apparently you're already on the web at kudasharpening.com. Hey, thanks a lot. Any questions, give me a call. Take care.